What's up, moneymakers? I'm your guy, Alex, and the market blew up last night. Chip giant AMD drops its Q3 2025 earnings. It was an over-delivery, but the stock, it's falling? What is going on? In this video, we're not just looking at numbers. We're unlocking the hidden meaning behind Lisa Su's conference call comments, especially on the MI350 AI chip growth. And most importantly, where are the precise buy zones? Let's dive in. First, the numbers were huge. AMD's Q3 report is absolutely stellar. Non-GAAP revenue surged to $9.25 billion, a 36% year-over-year increase, hitting a new record. You can't argue with that growth. The key figure, EPS, hit $1.20. Remember this, EPS grew over 30% year-over-year. This is concrete proof of a healthy core business. The gaming segment exploded by 181%. The data center segment was strong, but the market really wanted to hear the speed of the AI rocket. Why the drop? The answer lies in the expectation gap between the market's greed and AMD's solid guidance on AI growth speed. Core 1 AI chip shipment pace. Su confirmed data center revenue grew 22% year-over-year, driven by the volume ramp of MI350 GPUs. This proves AI revenue is happening now, but AMD did not issue a new, massive full-year AI revenue forecast. The market wanted instant doubling, but got stable acceleration, causing disappointment. However, Su guaranteed the momentum. Data center revenue is expected to maintain sequential double-digit growth in Q4. This means the MI350 ramp-up is accelerating, securing long-term growth. Core 2, the China export ban. Su explicitly stated the Q3 results do not include any revenue from MI308 shipments to China. Think about that. Breaking records without that huge market is absolute proof of their global competitiveness. Core 3, the Q4 gross margin guidance of 54.5% was conservative. Investors worry about margin pressure from competing with NVIDIA. These factors combined fueled the profit-taking. Don't forget the facts. Major clients like OpenAI and Oracle are locked in. The fundamentals are intact. Okay, let's look at the action plan. Using the most accurate high-low data, I've calculated the critical turning points for tomorrow. First, the attack line, resistance. The first crucial gate, R1, is at $255.83. We need a clean break and hold above this price to confirm the selling pressure is over. This is the multi-day rally engine. If R1 is conquered, the next target is $261.60, R2. Next, the defense line, support. This is where long-term investors find the buy zone. The immediate buy zone defense line, S1, is at $245.84. This is the most likely area for buyers to step in after the earnings volatility. If S1 fails, don't panic. The next critical support is at $241.62. And for the longest term, most conservative investor, $230 remains the golden long-term retracement zone for scaling in. Summary. AMD fundamentals are solid. AI potential is massive. Short-term volatility is just emotion. Long-term opportunity is here. My wealth building crew, if this precise technical analysis helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Help me get this crucial financial info out to more people. I'll see you in the next video. This is Alex. Peace out.